Alright, here's our cute little Peep on a plate. Not gonna be cute for too much longer. Let's go. Oh crap, I can't see anything. I gotta turn the light off.
Oh my god! What the hell is that? Oh, I'm out of here. Whoa, what the hell is that? Oh my god!